Hi, boys and girls. This activity is called Gravity in Action. You've been doing some learning about gravity. Remember, gravity is when something falls to the ground, it's being pulled by the force of gravity. Your teacher might have your activity inside of a plastic sleeve. If it's in a plastic sleeve, then you'll be using an expo marker. If your teacher just has a regular piece of paper for you, then you can go ahead and use your crayons to color the pictures. Here are the directions. Color which picture shows the best example of gravity at work. So if you look at this one, it says number 1. So I'm going to look across the row this way. I see a tree with the leaves up in the tree still, and over here I see a tree where the leaves have fallen to the ground. So which one's going to show gravity in action? Which one's showing the leaves falling down? That's right, this one. So I'm going to either use my crayon to color this tree or the expo marker if my paper is in plastic. And remember, boys and girls, don't take the paper out of the plastic. That would be silly. If your teacher has your paper in plastic, be sure that you take a picture and send it to her on Seesaw. I hope you enjoyed practicing gravity.